एवरीवन, जल्दी से अपने कैमरा ऑन कर दो। कुमुद, is it you over here? कुमुद, कुमुद, धनंजय, प्रशांत.
Yes, Gorga.
Oh, hi प्रशांत.
Hi, Gorga. Yes, please ask me anything.
No, hi अर्पित.
क्या अर्पित? कौन अर्पित? कैसा अर्पित?
आप अर्पित.
तुम अपने
You
बच्चों
wanna
को
put your
क्यों नहीं
camera on
भेजती
and say hi?
तुम अपने बच्चों को क्यों नहीं भेजती रात को मेरे सेशन में?
Guys, अच्छा on तो कर लो. Introduce yourself at least. शायद आ जाएंगे. कैमरा तो ऑन करो.
क्यों ऑन करूं? मुझे देखना ही है तो रात को देख लेना यार, वीडियो कॉल कर लेना.
अरे यार, हैं? Please put your camera on. Please introduce yourself. ये सारे ठाकुर कॉलेज के बच्चे हैं.
अच्छा. हाय ठाकुर कॉलेज, आई होप यू आर डूइंग रियली वेल. एंड गाइस, आज रात को ना 9 बजे एंगर मैनेजमेंट का सेशन है. मुझे पता है तुम अपने ठाकुर कॉलेज के स्टाफ पर बहुत ज्यादा गुस्सा होते होगे, तो आओ तुम्हें मैं गुस्सा हैंडल करना सिखाता हूँ. 9 बजे अर्पित लोचन दिस साइड. गौरिका विल सेंड द लिंक टू योर ग्रुप. मेक श्योर यू बी देयर. टेक केयर.
Okay, guys. So he's the CEO of HomeClick Bistro. His name is Arpit Lochan. And remember, yesterday I was telling you guys about like type sessions, and I told you when I was telling about case studies and how we sometimes do case studies in our type sessions. So today we have a type session on anger management. So if you guys want to go there and like just like chill, it's not like mandatory or anything, but it'll be
Recording in
nice to
progress.
like meet other people. It'll be a nice place to meet other people. So I'll get the link floated in your group. So if you're free at 9, like go join. You'll meet a lot of people from all over India there. Okay? So good exposure. And guys, बार बार बोलना तो नहीं चाहिए, but कैमरा ऑन कर लो. करो.
Ma'am, my Wi-Fi is really bad today. So is it okay if I keep it off for today?
ये तुम्हारा वाईफाई है, मेरा वाईफाई है. मेरा वाईफाई अटक गया ना बीच बीच में. अच्छा, अब ठीक है ना मेरा वाईफाई? ठीक है, नहीं ठीक है?
ठीक है.
परफेक्ट. ओके, तो एक्सेप्ट अमृता, सब लोग अपना कैमरा ऑन कर लो प्लीज. प्लीज. उत्कर्ष, हर्षिता, ऐश्वर्या, श्रेया. You know what? There are some people who never switch the cameras on. Dhruv, Drishti, Aditi. Aditi, why do you never switch your camera on? Okay, Dhruv, get well soon. Aditi?
Yeah, ma'am.
Aditi, why don't you ever switch your camera on?
Ma'am, I'm actually not on my laptop. I'm on my phone. And like my front camera is really not working here.
Hmm.
Like I can show you now also. See,
Show.
this thing.
Show.
Yeah, ma'am. See, like this strip.
हाँ, अच्छे लग रहे हो. चलेगा.
Yeah, sure.
Okay. Okay, Sanjeevni, Drishti, Rutuja, I understand you're not well. CE1 के लिए. Sorry, what? What is CE1, bro? What do you mean? देखो, my class is supposed to be like I'll impart you the wisdom and you guys just please take your own notes. If you guys haven't been taking notes, then beg, borrow, steal. Okay. But that's how you're gonna be getting your notes. Okay. And है कौन सा एग्जाम होगा? Your course is assignment based, not examination based. So you will be put into groups and you guys are gonna be like presenting your work. Okay? Okay, great. So who's gonna tell me what we studied in the last class?
Live videos,
And
picture
Case-
content,
case studies,
advantage and disadvantages of live videos.
Okay. ठीक है.
we spoke about images, sensory markets, website for pictures, like external links, live videos, testimonials and everything.
हाँ, okay. Guys, जिसको भी नोट चाहिए थे ना परिधि के पास जाओ. Okay. ज़्यादा चार्ज नहीं करती, बस 200 रुपए पर नोट. ठीक है? So moving on. Otherwise, if you guys are really interested, you guys can like watch the videos again and again and like pen down your notes if you guys have to. Okay? It's not like material नहीं है तुम लोगों के पास. Now, moving on. So we were talking about announcements. Okay, so social media is also a very important tool for announcements. Sorry, guys. Okay, so getting the word out about products, events, live streams, and other noteworthy things can help build a hype around your product and alert people business, right? And audiences love having like the inside scoop on their favorite stores and brands. For example, why do you think people like? So I don't know anything. Ashna, why is this your first lecture? We've already done like 4-5 lectures now. I think 5 lectures तो हो ही गए होंगे ना?
मैम मैं ये
ऐसा?
ग्रुप में नहीं थी, मैं ग्रुप में नहीं थी, मैंने फिर इंक्वायरी किया तो मुझे ये ग्रुप में ऐड किया कल.
So you know what? I'll tell you what will be good for you. एक ना ठाकुर कॉलेज का बैच 2 भी है, which will start somewhere in November or like late November or December. ठीक है? शायद उससे भी पहले हो जाए, I don't know. But what my point is कि already like 5-6 classes हो गई हैं. So you know it'll be like आप बीच में से join कर रहे हो, right? तो आप दूसरे बैच में ऐड हो जाओ. What Paridhi?
Today is the 9th lecture.
9th lecture?
मैं लिख रही हूँ नोट्स, मुझे पता है.
Wait. 9th नहीं हो सकता.
6th lecture.
मैं
हाँ.
नोट्स से ही मुझे पता है.
7th one.
अरे यहाँ से देख लेते हैं, यहाँ से हो ही नहीं सकता. 9th
कैसे लाओगी नोट्स?
मैम आपने कितना वीडियोस अपलोड किया है?
ना?
देखते हैं, रुको. 1 वेट, ये क्या है? हाँ, 1 2 3 4 5 6
Ma'am, this is 8th lecture.
7 8.
Yeah, 8th lecture है.
हाँ, आज 8th lecture है. Today is the 8th lecture. चलो ठीक है, जो भी. Still, what I'm trying to say is, Ashna is your name?
Yes ma'am,
right? Aishna, sorry. So Aishna, the thing is कि मतलब you know already आज ये 8th lecture है, so you know you won't exactly know what we're talking about. So एक काम करो, एक ठाकुर कॉलेज का सेकंड बैच वाला ग्रुप है, उसमें ऐड हो जाओ. And in I think maybe like a month's time, maybe lesser than that, आपकी क्लासेस शुरू हो जाएंगी. Okay, I just don't want you to miss out on anything. Who's your coordinator? Rama ma'am?
Yes ma'am.
Just tell Rama ma'am about this, that I have suggested to add you in the second batch. Fine? Okay, great. Rutuja, I hope you're taking attendance, and also I think Rutuja, get well soon. You said you're not
Yes, ma'am.
well. Okay, get well soon, Rutuja. Okay. So moving on. Right. So why do you think that, like, okay, has everyone heard of this movie called Jale Zara? Guys, जिंदगी ना मिलेगी दोबारा. You guys have heard of it? So you know कि उसका एक girl version आ रहा है, which is Jale Zara.
हाँ
उसका एक
आलिया
girl version आ रहा है
भट्ट,
भाई.
कटरीना कैफ एंड प्रियंका
अरे
चोपड़ा.
यार, हाँ, correct. Like, I'll show you. Wait, I'll literally show you guys. Okay, and this is a content strategy, and you guys can like also employ it for whatever your business tactics are. I'm just showing you the movie industry thing so you guys understand what it is. Okay, let me clear all. I think you guys will be surprised at how much Aryan Khan I searched. तो मुझे अपनी history वो करनी पड़ी. रुको. Okay, great. You guys can see this. Now let's go on Alia Bhatt. Okay. But हाँ यही था. रुको. Let me show this to you. Guys, now watch this. Oh, are you guys able to hear this?
No, ma'am.
Oh,
No,
I'm
ma'am, we
wearing
can't
my
hear you.
AirPods.
No, ma'am.
I'm muted.
Okay, now. Guys, किसी ने वो वीडियो देखी है यार जो मैं दिखाना चाह रही हूँ तुम लोगों को, जो ने अनाउंसमेंट
It's a
वीडियो बनाई.
kind that they properly announced, right? Like there are clips from ये जिंदगी ना मिलेगी दोबारा also.
हाँ, कहाँ मिलेगी मुझे ये जो मैं दिखाना चाह रही हूँ तुम लोगों को. Where can we find it? Any idea? Who put it? Katrina Kaif?
Spotify.
YouTube पे जा तो सकते हैं बट किसी ने यहाँ पोस्ट की थी तो इतनी मेहनत क्यों करे. ये सेम है, ये तो नहीं है.
हम दोस्त थे.
अच्छा, tell me if you guys can all see this.
हम दोस्त थे. रहेंगे. Hello everyone. Will you join me? डॉट करना मुश्किल है. कितना मुमकिन है. तुम हमेशा कहती थी कि मेरी जिंदगी में कोई लक्ष्य नहीं.
Guys, I don't think
अपना टाइम आएगा.
Guys, where the hell is it? यार कोई भी हेल्प कर दो मेरी. क्या उसने कुछ किससे बनाई है? फरहान अख्तर ने. उसकी बहन का नाम क्या है? जोया अख्तर. ओके, ग्रेट. Just ask. Guys, if I don't find it here, then we're gonna go on YouTube. ठीक है?
हम दोस्त थे. रहेंगे. Hello everyone. Will you join me?
Let me see. Okay, this is not it. Okay, guys, enough. I can't just keep disappointing you like this. Hold on.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Sorry. I'm gonna go to YouTube. मेरी यहाँ बहुत चॉप हो गई है एंड मैं और नहीं कराऊंगी, ठीक है? And if I don't find it, then you guys find it. And guys, you know, तुम लोग कितने वो lazy हो, तुम लोगों को पता है मैं क्या ढूंढ रही हूँ, तुम लोग इतना नहीं है कि तुम लोग खुद ढूंढ के मुझे भेज दो.
मैम वी आर लेजी.
Thank you. Okay, wait. Chile Zara trailer. Okay. I hope this is it. If it's not it, तो फिर बस हाँ.
हम दोस्त थे, हैं, रहेंगे. दिल चाहता है.
रोड ट्रिप स्पेन में 3 हफ्ते. You know how these boys.
What? मैंने तो कभी ऐसा सोचा ही नहीं था. सबसे आइडिया किसका था? मेरा.
Okay. So basically, to make you understand what I am trying to make you see here, ठीक है, is the fact that they have used social media to announce a movie, build hype around a movie, which is not going to be released for another like 2 years, I think. I don't think this is supposed to be out till 2023, ठीक है? But the fact that they're just announcing कि एक ऐसे movie आने वाली है, then they've used, and समझो guys, okay, crazy marketing here also. This movie is by like Zoya Akhtar, Farhan Akhtar, जो भी इनके production का नाम है, productions जो भी है ये, ठीक है? So now my point is that दिल चाहता है was by them, and even जिंदगी नाम मिलेगी दोबारा, right? So to announce their new movie, they have used clips from like these 2 movies, right? And now चलो ठीक है, like दिल चाहता है बहुत पुरानी movie है, जिंदगी ना मिलेगी दोबारा also damn old. Okay, no one's talking about it anymore. Nobody's even discussing it anymore, right? But now what these guys are doing, so you know, every time that you guys watch the movie, these guys get like a certain percentage, right? They get like a cut. So think about how smart this is, right? So these guys are announcing a movie. They're building you know, hype around that movie through social media by using clippings from their own movies from pehle. Now the thing is, announce unne new movie kar diya, and you're like, oh wow, you know, Dil Chahta was such a nice movie, ZNMD was such a nice movie, ye bhi waisi hogi. So you're already excited about it, you're going to share it with people, you're going to get so excited. At the same time, you guys are going to be reminded of Dil Chahta Hai. They've used like some really nice iconic dialogues that, you know, hum hamesha dost the rahenge, blah blah blah. Okay, and they've used these iconic dialogues. Now isko dekh ke, you know, you start feeling a certain way, you feel nostalgic, right? It reminds you of your friends, it reminds you of the movie that you watched. And best believe, and this is a thing, it's a fact, ye hota hai bahut logon ke sath, you see this and then you feel like watching that movie again, right? Right now, after hearing these dialogues, I'm pretty sure that some of you guys must have been like, oh yaar, बहुत time हो गया ZNMD नहीं देखी, बहुत time हो गया दिल चाहता नहीं देखी, याद नहीं है अब. So you guys will probably go and watch that movie again. Okay? So इसमें इनकी double marketing हो रही है. एक तो announcement हो गई कि girls वाला ये आने वाला है, hype बन गई, people will look forward to it. Okay? And secondly, more people will keep on watching their old movies and then और पैसे pocket में आ रहे हैं. ठीक है? So that's another type of content that you can utilize every time. Okay, you know, you can make sure that some people like look out for your stuff, right? Now that you, जैसे अगर आपको पता ही नहीं है कि एक चीज exist करती है तो आप वो ढूंढोगे क्यों, right? Why will you even look forward to it, right? So the same way here, what's going to happen is, now we know this movie is coming out, we're going to look forward to it. And जैसे पद्मावत जब आने वाली थी तो इतने उन्हें दंगे मंगे करा दिए थे, everyone started looking forward to the movie because they're like, अरे यार है क्या इसमें जो इतने लोग पागल हो गए हैं, right? So this is what you guys can, this is how you can use announcements as your, social media strategy. If you're releasing a particular, thing. Okay, I want to show you one more video just to make you understand how announcement videos work. And बकवास announcement videos नहीं बनानी है, अच्छी announcement videos बनानी है जिससे लोग actually share करें कि हो क्या रहा है भाई. Okay, wait. I'm going to show you one more. If anyone wants to go get water, you can. मैं तो खुद पी रही हूँ. And cameras on कर लो भाई. Seriously, I'm going to like start asking questions then. हाँ, questions के नाम पे सब आ गए. जल्दी से cameras on. Guys, seriously, right now I'm going to show you, like, today you guys have to like really watch videos and like understand this thing behind the videos. Okay, girls next door. Wait. Okay, now watch the transitioning happening in these videos. Okay, AGTV. Someone sent me a chat. Okay, Aditi ने ढूंढ लिया था. Thank you. But मैंने अभी देखा. Okay. Now watch this. Okay, I'm going to show you two things from here, and this is what announcement content looks like. So this is a thrift store that they were starting, and before starting it, or like just announcing that they're here, this is what their announcement video looks like, and it's different from the rest because watch this. What do you guys understand by this? What are the two things? That one thing I mentioned yesterday also. What did you understand by this? Anybody? क्या समझ आया इस वीडियो से?
They try to advertise their website through video, through transaction video, which is recently trending on Instagram and Reels. So it made it more attractive and brought attention to the users.
And
there were many people, and they were wearing those clothes, which lends credibility of some sort to their website. And they also used transition video effects also,
which makes it like better, right? It like also there were two things they really explained. Firstly, मैंने कल एक point बोला था that the more people faces that you use, the more people will relate to your brand even more, right? And if you notice, there were like all sorts of people with different sizes. Okay, different sizes. So number one, there was the inclusivity factor. Okay, that we're catering to all. Secondly, this is a thrift store. So if you guys could understand what their idea is, and these guys are also like a small business only. Okay, it's not like they're very established or something like that. Okay, so the second thing is कि बार-बार ये कपड़े change कर रहे थे, and the transition. Now I'll tell you why the transition is important. ठीक है, कपड़े change हो रहे थे, transition हो रहा था, and it's like when someone was throwing something like that, then the other person was catching it, right? So you're understanding that what is the concept of a thrift store? The concept of a thrift store is कि ये जो मेरी टी-शर्ट है, अब मुझे नहीं चाहिए ये टी-शर्ट, तो मैंने ये किसी और को दे दी, and then वो उनने मुझे थोड़े से पैसे दे दिए, और like now they're wearing it. समझ रहे हो? So that was very well depicted in this video. So when you're making announcement content, that's what something that you should do. And I'm going to show you one more video. So I'm obviously telling you this because I helped conceptualize this, because this is a thrift store of like it's my friend's thrift store. But I'll tell you. So wait, I'll show you one more thing. So my point of showing this to you is, if any of you are trying to start a small business, whatever you guys are trying to start, always like, मतलब अगर कोई product launch कर रहे हो या कोई ऐसे Kylie देखिए तुम सब, everyone knows Kylie Jenner, man, right? If you guys don't know who Kylie Jenner is, I'm sure you heard of Kim Kardashian. Kim Kardashian की सबसे छोटी बेटी, क्या बोल रही हूँ, बहन है Kylie Jenner, ठीक है? So now the point is, she owns a
कॉस्मेटिक का ब्रांड है ना उसका.
हाँ. So she like has, skin care, cosmetics, this, that. Ab Halloween, ठीक है? Oh, this I'll kind of relate to the I'll relate announcements and the holiday content here. Halloween aa rahi hai, everyone's pumped up for Halloween. What this girl is essentially doing, she is announcing, उसका अभी palette निकला भी नहीं है, ठीक है? I'm literally gonna go and show you. ठीक है?
The
First
Blood series, right?
Yeah, the
the red one.
Yeah, so 1 minute. Watch this and then I'll show you that. So now what the thing is, these guys, every time they have like a new curation, in the sense कि पहले एक batch आया, लोगों ने अपने कपड़े दिए, तो उनने ऐसे consign किए कि अच्छा ऐसे ये हम एक theme निकालेंगे, वो कर दी. So अब this theme was called Fields of Fantasy. अब ये कपड़े मिलेंगे इस theme में, ठीक है? So this is what you have to expect.
4. All we got tonight, let's do this right. Let's do this right. Let's go down. This shit feel like Friday nights. This shit made me feel alive. Feel like we in paradise. Don't know if this is a drink I pour. That's why I've never loved you more.
So it's like, before this website even went like live, these guys were already showing them this is what you have to expect. So already people had their eyes set on these like clothes. That's what they were looking out for. Now, now let me just go to Kylie Jenner. अभी like मैडम का वो like launch हुआ है, Nightmare on Elm Street, ठीक है? But this is how she started advertising it. ये अभी तक launch नहीं हुआ था, ठीक है? But people are looking out for it कि क्या आने वाला है भाई. जैसे ये देखो, then they wrote, can you guess who we collaborate with this year for Halloween collection reveal coming today, right? Now, let me just go back to, yeah. So now the like what disadvantage will obviously be that you have to carefully plan out the length of time that's appropriate to begin building the buzz. Okay. And if you launch the announcement too early, you might not gain any traction at all because people will forget about it. And this is something that I can probably, which I personally think is going to happen with Gile Zara, because right now they've announced Gile Zara, of course, marketing technique OP, because these guys are gonna watch like Dil Chahta Hai and the other movie. However, ये मैंने Gile Zara का like थोड़ा like 2-3 महीने पहले देखा था, उससे भी पहले शायद देखा था. I asked you guys about it right now. None of you guys know what I'm talking about. Some of you guys know, some of you guys don't know. Okay? So obviously that's a disadvantage. You have to very carefully plan out when you have to announce the announcement thing. Okay? Now, obviously, if I'm talking about how to produce this content, it's like often best to trickle out information slowly. Think of announcements as a bunch of like little teases leading up to the big news. Thoda karke big news. Like as you see in the Kylie thing also. First she made a video, can you guess who we collaborated with? Then थोड़ा सा कुछ और उसने डाला, रेड कुछ और डाला, फिर finally जब उसने अपना makeup collection निकाल दिया, that's when she showed that okay, it's Nightmare on Elm Street, right? And now contests, okay? So contests, because obviously people are very competitive by nature. ठीक है, people are very competitive by nature. It's like अगर like मान लो कि पार्थ की एक गर्ल बेस्ट फ्रेंड है, ठीक है, और क्रिस को उस गर्ल बेस्ट फ्रेंड पे बहुत बड़ा क्रश है, एंड सुन भी नहीं रहा, देखना पार्थ तुम सुन भी नहीं रहे, है तुम्हारी गर्ल बेस्ट फ्रेंड कोई? चलो एक का नाम बताना फिर. चलो ठीक है, ध्रुति, पहले नाम इसने ध्रुति का लिया, मतलब ठीक है. सो अब क्रिस को पसंद है ध्रुति, ठीक है. तो ऐसे तो मैं भी 5-6 नाम बना लूं, तुम थोड़ी ना फैक्ट चेक करने आ रहे हो. सो आई एम किडिंग. चलो ठीक है. Like let's move on. Let me give the example I want to give. Human beings are competitive by nature. ठीक है. Now the thing is कि ध्रुति is Parth's girl best friend, and ये क्रिस को लग रहा है कि actually क्रिस है ना बॉयफ्रेंड है ध्रुति का, ठीक है, एंड क्रिस को लग रहा है कि like ये पार्थ और उसका कुछ चल रहा है, एंड बिल्कुल पार्थ को ढेले का इंटरेस्ट नहीं है ध्रुति पे, ढेले का नहीं है, मतलब बिल्कुल नहीं. बट ये इतना तुम उसके साथ ही घूमते रहती हो हमेशा, he's my best friend यार. अब ये पार्थ को पता लग गया कि इसको उससे लाइक चुल मचती है, तो पार्थ को बिल्कुल इंटरेस्ट नहीं है ध्रुति पे, बट अब वो ट्राई करेगा ध्रुति पे, बिकॉज उसमें क्या होगा, वो जीत जाएगा क्रिस से, ठीक है. उसको बस ये चाहिए कि क्रिस की जले, ठीक है. सो माय पॉइंट बीइंग, हम इतने गंदे बकवास घटिया लोग हैं, ठीक है, दैट we're so sadistic कि चलो ठीक है, मैं जीतू या ना जीतू, वो ना जीत पाए, right? So contests actually work a lot because people are very inherently competitive, and it's one of the most engaging kind of content that you can find on social media, and it's super fun to host. Okay, now I'm going to show you the best thing and the best example of it by Zomato. If you guys have seen it, मैंने जान के सेव भी कर लिया ये, क्योंकि मैं हर क्लास में इसका एग्जांपल देती हूँ और फिर मुझे आधा घंटा लगता है ढूंढने में, तो मैं ऐसे ही पहले दिखा देती हूँ. Okay, but obviously the disadvantage is that you need a prize, okay, and which will obviously cost you some money, right? And and also another thing with contests is that if the process to enter the contest is too demanding, then the participation will be very low. And I feel like this is one place where a lot of people mess up, okay, with their engagement posts and all. Wait, let me open this. Hold on. Because if you say कि मुझे फॉलो करो, अपने 5 फ्रेंड्स को फॉलो करो, फिर मुझे दिखा तुम्हारे 5 फ्रेंड्स ने फॉलो किया है, फिर ये शेयर भी करो अपनी स्टोरी पे, फिर ये करो वो करो, भाई इतना नहीं है टाइम मेरे पास, ठीक है. So that way, let me tell you something crazy what this हमारे भाइयों ने किया है Zomato. Okay. Wait, how do I like? This was 37 weeks ago on. Wait. एक सेकेंड. ये देखो, ठीक है. Okay, the person whose comment gets the most number of likes on this post gets a 1-year Zomato Pro membership free. ठीक है? The most number of likes. Great. Oh, हाँ, ठीक है. The person who gets the least number of likes on this post gets a 5-year Zomato Pro membership. ठीक है? Now, can you understand? Admin can also like a comment. Who's going to explain this phenomenon to me?
मिलेगा ही नहीं.
मिलेगा तो वैसे rules पढ़ो, ठीक है? Rules पढ़ो. Only the comments within 20 hours of this post will qualify. Winners will be picked after 24 hours. Only one person in each category gets the award. In case of a tie, the person with the lesser number of followers wins. In case of a further tie, ऐसे बिल्कुल immediate तो नहीं सोचे हैं, but सोचेंगे, ठीक है? Now, not too demanding. एक चीज करनी है, बस comment करना है, और मतलब just make sure that it gets the most number of likes. अब this is a win-win situation, ठीक है? It's a win-win situation, but it's better for the like loser जिसको कोई भी like नहीं मिले, ठीक है? The person who gets the most number of likes gets a 1-year free Zomato, ठीक है, membership. Now, the person who gets the least amount of likes will get 5 years. अब यहाँ लोग पागल हो जाएंगे. Zomato, ठीक है, मेन नीड यार, सबको खाना तो सबको खाना होता है. यहाँ कोई बंदा है नहीं जो खाना खाता नहीं है, ठीक है? तो कर दो जो करना है. चलो मैंने कर दिया तुम्हें. So moving on, competitive nature, ठीक है? जो भी यहाँ कमेंट करेगा हम सबके लाइक्स मतलब सबके उस पे लाइक करेंगे, because obviously we don't want them to win, we don't want them to get the 5-year membership, ठीक है? And तो मतलब at this point, if you have the lowest likes, then obviously it means that you will end up winning. And एक मिनट सुनील रुक जाओ, ठीक है? Just 1 second. And now the thing here is ये engagement ले for the Instagram algorithm, okay? It's very good. पर तुम्हारे पापा हैं. So anyway, it's very good for the Instagram algorithm, because what's going to happen is कि सारे लोग पागल हो जाएंगे like कर करके and suddenly Instagram will go on to people's discover pages and will be easily discovered. Sunil पूछो अपना question या बोलो जो.
मैं ये भी लिखा था कि admin can also like.
हाँ.
तो मैम ये 5 year वाला तो चांस ही नहीं बना.
कौन सा वाला चांस?
मैम ये 5 year का मतलब नहीं मिल पाएगा ना, क्योंकि एडमिन में मतलब पोस्ट लाइक कर सकता है.
5 year
मतलब
का मतलब
ये 5 year जोमेटो प्रो है मेंबरशिप है ना.
हाँ.
उसमें लिस्ट नंबर है ना.
हाँ.
तो मैम एक तो रहने वाला है ना.
हाँ.
क्योंकि एडमिन भी उसको पोस्ट लाइक कर कमेंट लाइक कर सकता है.
तो 0 तो नहीं ना बोला, एक भी तो लिस्ट ही होता है.
पर इसमें भी टाई हो जाएगा ना, तो मतलब कुछ मिलेगा ही नहीं ना.
लाइक उस सेंस में नहीं बोला, अगर किसी का कमेंट अच्छा लगा एडमिन को तो वो लाइक कर सकता है. इट वाज इन दिस आई थिंक.
Yeah. It wasn't talking about a tie. चलो जो भी, but you guys understand, ठीक है? This is how it's going to help you to understand how to make like contests, giveaways, good challenge. This is a good strategy if you guys want to employ it, ठीक है? And obviously how to produce, you should think of a good prize that your audience will be interested in winning. And this, you know, ideally this should be related to your business, but if it doesn't have to be mandatory that it should relate to your business. And you can also create a schedule for how long you want the contest to run and the rules for entering. And one more thing I wanted to tell you, this is something which could help you. This is where you can bring in a collaboration, ठीक है? This is where you can bring in a collaboration in the sense कि मेरा एक business है, ठीक है? मेरे पास लगभग 5000 फॉलोअर्स है, बट आई वांट कि मेरे पास अब बहुत सारे फॉलोअर्स हो जाए, ठीक है. एंड देन देयर आर लाइक स्मॉल फिश इन द पॉन्ड, स्मॉल फिश लाइक लेट्स से कि चैताली, अजय एंड अमृता, ठीक है. ये लोगों के का न्यू बिजनेस स्टार्ट हुआ है, बट इनके पास बहुत कम कम फॉलोअर्स हैं. किसी के पास 200 है, किसी के पास 500 है, किसी के पास ऐसे ऐसे बहुत कम कम फॉलोअर्स है. तो Chitali must be like maybe she's selling scented candles, Ajay is selling scrunchies, and Amrita is selling cupcakes. ठीक है. Now I'm just giving you like a tip what you guys can do. Now you can like मतलब you know take advantage of the small
बना के
fish.
दे रही हूँ, क्या कंपनी बना के दे रही हूँ.
समझो समझो समझो, ठीक है. तो मेरा बस सीन है कि you know and I can just be an influencer of like whatever, ठीक है, जो भी चीज का इन्फ्लुएंसर हूँ मैं. एंड नाउ द थिंग इज कि मेरे पास 5000 फॉलोअर्स हैं. अब इन लोगों के पास सिर्फ मतलब क्या भाई 150 200 फॉलोअर्स 500 दे जस्ट स्टार्टिंग आउट, ओके. और मुझे गिव अवे करना है एंड आई वांट कि मेरे बहुत सारे फॉलोअर्स हो जाए, ओके. सो ऑब्वियसली मैं एक कॉन्टेस्ट रखती हूँ. अब ऑब्वियसली मुझे कॉन्टेस्ट में प्राइज भी रखना है. अब ये प्राइस मैं बिल्कुल अपना फ्री करवा सकती हूँ. इफ आई गो टू अमृता एंड आई एम लाइक भाई तू अपने कपकेक्स एक दे दे, प्रमोशन हो जाएगा तेरा, गिव अवे में मैं तुझे टैग वगैरह भी कर दूंगी, शायद फॉलोअर्स भी बढ़ जाएंगे, एंड यू नो पीपल विल ट्राई इट, सो वर्ड ऑफ माउथ. एंड यू नो अमृता लाइक हाँ ये तो आइडिया तो बहुत अच्छा है. तो आई डोंट इवन हैव टू स्पेंड मनी गाइस, यू नो गेट स्मार्ट. एंड सेम विद हर सेंटेड कैंडल्स एंड सेम विद हिज क्रंचीज, ठीक है. स्क्रंचीज अगर पता नहीं है तो हम लोगों को क्या है, तो मतलब बस ऐसे ही मतलब रबर बैंड है, ठीक है. सो मूविंग ऑन, just like that's what I'm saying, get smart if you guys need to like do these contests. जो मतलब तुमसे भी छोटे लोग हैं उनका लो, ठीक है, मतलब फ्री में, बिल्कुल फ्री में निकाल दो अपना. एनीवे हॉलीडे कंटेंट इफ आई हैव टू, अच्छा हाँ अभी है 15 मिनट, गुड फॉर मी, ठीक है. सो आई डोंट वेट, होल्ड ऑन गाइस, तुम्हारे क्यों ऐसे लाइक बंद हो गए हैं कैमरास? Guys, holiday content, matlab, this is the most important thing. This is the most important thing for you guys. ठीक है, holiday content. Holiday content पहले ही बता रही हूँ. It means like Halloween आ गई, दिवाली आ गई, दशहरा आ गया, होली आ गई, ये आ गया, वो आ गया. ठीक है, समझ रहे हो? समझ गए? ठीक है. So now the advantage of holiday content is that you know many users love holiday themed content because it's and that's because they're already like in that zone. ठीक है, अभी दिवाली आ रही है, ठीक है, दिवाली आ रही है, everybody is like kind of getting into the zone कि नए नए कपड़ों की शॉपिंग करनी है, यहाँ जाना है, वहां जाना है, लाइट्स है, ये है, हॉलीडे सीजन आ गया है, ब्ला 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 ब्ला. ठीक है. सो जो भी चीजें होती हैं जो दिवाली के रिलेटेड हैं, you suddenly like start thinking about those things. If it's Christmas, okay, you start thinking about like Christmas caroling, you start thinking about like Christmas parties, wearing you know red and red, green, white, things like that, right? It's like theme party होती है ना, so ये समझ लो, ठीक है. Holidays come with like theme based content, okay, and it's because जब वो हॉलीडे चल रहा होता है सब मतलब you know have you guys heard कि like मेरे रंग में रंगिया टाइप्स. सो हॉलीडे जब हॉलीडेज होती हैं तो सब लोग उसी रंग में रंगे होते हैं, ये समझ लो, ठीक है. सो एज अ पर्सन हु हैज अ बिजनेस, दिस इज योर बिगेस्ट अपॉर्चुनिटी टू पिगी बैक राइड ऑन दीज हॉलीडेज, ठीक है. इन द सेंस जब दिवाली होती है, यू गाइस तुम एक बार जाओ मॉल जाओ तुम दिवाली में, हर जगह यू नो 50-70% ऑफ, 50% ऑफ, Diwali sale, Diwali offer, because everyone's in the mood to shop, and literally this is your opportunity to like lure them in, okay. And like you know 10% off Raksha Bandhan special, ye special, matlab the only thing is, and I'll tell you the difference. तुम अभी अगर Urbanic में चले जाते हैं, ठीक है, Urbanic is this new Shein का replacement आया है, ठीक है. So if you guys don't know, Shein एक ब्रांड था जो जिसका ऐप था बिल्कुल सस्ता चाइनीज माल लाइक सप्लाई करता था, एंड वो ऑब्वियसली क्योंकि चाइनीज था सो वो गवर्नमेंट में बैन कर दिया, सो उसका रिप्लेसमेंट आया Urbanic, okay. So now the thing is, at any given point of the year, I'm not even lying to you, you go on a Urbanic, हमेशा 50% off, 70% off होता है. But right now if you go on Urbanic, ये देखो, ठीक है, हमेशा होता है 50-70% off. But अब ये देखना, ठीक है. Happy Diwali, 70% off. हमेशा होता है यार ये. बस चेंज कर दिया ना, बाय वन गेट वन फ्री दिवाली सेल. नहीं भाई नहीं, ये हमेशा होता है. अब ये सेम जब रक्षाबंधन थी, वो रक्षाबंधन सेल दिस दैट, राइट? So you automatically start feeling like हाँ ये तो मेरे लिए की है यार इन्हें सेल, मतलब you know it's for the holiday. मतलब जो भी सारे तुम्हारे अराउंड उनको बनाओ तुम लोग, ठीक है. So moving on, ठीक है. So you can, like brands like us, if we are starting something, we can piggyback on themes, traditions, and other holiday specific concepts to actually lure our customers to come and like कि हमें देखो, ठीक है. And the disadvantages of this particular type of content is that there are, you know, so many holidays in the year, and the major ones like, you know, Christmas create a lot of competition, like Christmas, Diwali and all. And you know, like it's just the fact that like जब holidays होती है ना, तो competition बहुत होता है. And जो ऐसी छोटी मोटी holidays like जो छोटी मोटी like holiday content होता है, nobody really cares about that, ठीक है. So make sure that you choose your holiday content well also. And if we're asking about how to produce holiday content, then you know, you can think about how to use the holiday to enhance your content, okay. And what questions do your audiences have around this time, and how can your content solve these challenges? Now if I have to explain this to you, okay, how will I explain this to you? Christmas is around the corner, right? I'm an influencer, I want followers, and now I know कि Christmas is around the corner, and I want to tell people कि you know, the 5 best looks on Christmas, how to style your Santa hat like that. Yeah, if I'm talking about interior designing, yeah, I'm a party planner, I'll be like, you know, decorate your house with these you know, Christmas ornaments, right? These are the questions that your consumers will have during the holiday festive season. Same with Holi, same with Diwali. Like it's like a Holi aa gayi hai. Okay, how to make sure that you know, the colors that you're using are not going to impact your skin that much. Yeah, शादी season का भी अलग है, ठीक है. शादी season पे भी मतलब same, you guys have to do like some kind of like discount sales. One of my masi owns like, you know, 2-3 salons. Now the thing with that is उनकी ना, मतलब वो कभी भी ये तुम्हें सेम डील दे देंगी, ठीक है. मतलब जब वो मेकअप, ब्राइडल मेकअप होता है, वो कभी भी सेम डील दे देंगी. बट लिटरली द वे शी टॉक्स टू कस्टमर्स ड्यूरिंग द शादी सीजन, आप स्पेशल हो ना हमारे, आप शादी हो रही है, इट्स योर मोस्ट स्पेशल डे, शादी हो रही है आपकी, इसलिए आपको ये दे रहे हैं हम. Like, you know, reiterating कि शादी हो रही है भाई, शादी हो रही है, तुम इतने स्पेशल हो, like, you know, then the other person doesn't even feel like haggling. But
convincing power ना, convincing power होनी चाहिए.
Exactly. But the point is, Chris, अगर तुम्हें अभी मेकअप कराना है ना, मैं तुम्हें ले जाऊंगी और मैं तुम्हें सेम प्राइस पे करा दूंगी. बट जब शादी का सीजन होगा तो क्या करेंगी वो सेम प्राइस वो 2 times कर देंगी और बोलेंगे आपको तो 50% पे दे रहे हैं, 50% पे दे रहे हैं. So it's just, you know, लोग holiday content use करते हैं to actually kind of, you can say, play with your excitement, your emotions at that point. Okay, are we understanding? Okay, now I am just going to show you 2-3 things of Zomato's, and as I promised, you know, videos वगैरह हमें देखनी थी on like how holiday marketing होती है, ठीक है. I wanted to show you how holiday marketing happens. So now tomorrow we're going to only watch videos on holiday marketing, and the day after that we're just going to watch like marketing videos in general, like advertisements and this and that. And abhi I'm just showing you holiday based content, ठीक है. And then after that we will discuss Instagram business page optimization. फिर तुम्हारी Canva की क्लास होगी. हाँ ठीक है, बाद में बताऊंगी next class schedule. Okay, let me go on to Instagram. Zomato. Any questions so far, by the way? Any questions so far?
No, ma'am.
Are you guys understanding everything? But
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
अच्छा, ये Independence Day का देखा होगा. Sorry guys, sorry, someone was saying something. Did anyone see the Independence Day post that Zomato did? क्या डेट है भाई? कौन बताएगा मुझे के? रुको. Okay, here. Independence Day holiday. ठीक है? Sorry, we aren't accepting orders anymore. India, 15th August 1947. Crisp marketing tool, but very effective. Okay, very effective. Okay, then we are gladly accepting the orders though. Anyway, so moving on, you see this. Then let me take you down to अगर किसी को दिखेगा ना अपना दिवाली दिखेगा तो बता देना, ठीक है? Also, actually, this is not like that important right now, but you guys remember the Zomato wala case that happened when that girl said ki delivery guy like punched me because she
Yes.
yeah.
Yes.
So like obviously they were trying to sue Zomato, and Zomato took that in their stride, and they posted this saying, "Boss, yes, you can start posting again. Just ensure there's no negativity. Me, say no more." Right? Again, marketing, making. This is literally called meme content. This is such a good thing from Zomato's end. Makes you feel nice. ये क्रिसमस आ गया ना. Oh, you know, I haven't checked out Make My Trip, but it's good that you told me. I'll have a look at Make My Trip today. This is just something that I kind of like know. So, you know, okay, first, like, look at this. I'll show you this one because this has a very subtle branding that they have done here. Okay, a list of Diwali to-dos. Okay, they've created content related to Diwali. Cleaning the house, well, at least pretending to. Wishing the boss, subtle reminder of the Diwali bonus, wink wink. Happy Diwali to the best boss, okay? Obviously, nobody likes their boss. Making a rangoli and then being VIP security for it, true. Putting the lights up, अब तो सीधा न्यू ईयर के बाद निकलेंगी. अलग मौत आती है भाई निकालनी lights. Then shopping for yourself, self-care important hai babu. Spending time with loved ones, video calling some and forwarding WhatsApp wishes to the rest. Puja preps, picking the thali, diyas, flowers, and most importantly, mithai. And you know, when you see this thing, you get reminded of Diwali, and then you know you share this festival with a lot of people. It's relatable content, okay? And like, let's say if I share this with my family, I'll be like, याद है जब दिवाली होती है हम ऐसे ऐसे करते हैं, and then I share तो इनका share तो बढ़ गया भाई. Instagram algorithm will like, you know, if they're sharing it and they're saving it and this and that, then obviously it's going to be better for them to come on people's discover pages. Okay. इतनी मेहनत के बाद और मेहनत करनी है तो कूल है, वरना हम तो हैं ही. हैप्पी दिवाली Zomato. मार्केटिंग, अंडरस्टैंडिंग, यहाँ क्या हुआ, बिल्कुल बहुत सटल किया है उन्होंने. कहा कि यू नो दिवाली पे ये होता है, ये होता है, ये होता है, विद लाइक छोटी छोटी थिंग्स लाइक वो हम कर देंगे, राइट? सो एंड यहाँ ऑल्सो देयर लाइक इतनी और मेहनत करनी है तो कूल है, लाइक इन द सेंस नॉट दैट मतलब they're not coming and begging you their order from us, right? So it makes you
है ना कि सेलिब्रेशंस में बिजी होंगे तो फिर फूड तो फिर ऑर्डर कर देना पड़ेगा.
exactly, but the point is there's no desperation here ना, कि मतलब it's not like that गंदा वाला salesman. It's like, you know, तुम्हें जरूरत है, हम हैं, like that way, but not like, oh मुझसे order कर भाई, मुझसे. I hate that. Okay. And then there's another Diwali e-cards to forward to your friends and family. Now, this is also really important because at the end of the day, what are we trying to do on social media? We are trying to get audiences to engage with our content. So when they post Diwali e-cards to forward, okay, if there's any Diwali e-card which I feel like हाँ यार ये मुझे ऐसे wish करना है दूसरे बंदे को, मैं सीधा सीधा forward करूँगी, मैं सीधा सीधा share करूँगी, right? So they're actually giving us content, shareable content, okay? And it's smart. Watch this. Happy Diwali. May this year be prosperous enough for you to buy your own Netflix or Prime account and leave mine. Right? अब जो भी मेरे parasite friends हैं मैं उनको ये भेजूंगी. ठीक है? Then happy Diwali. May your crush see every story you put and react with all this. Like अगर you know like you boys want to like have fun with your other guy friends. Because हम girls इतनी rude नहीं होती. But anyway, then happy Diwali. May everyone swipe right on your profile always. Okay, that's a Tinder reference if you guys didn't understand. But यहाँ तो सबको समझ ही आ गया होगा. मुझे बिल्कुल doubt नहीं है. Okay, happy Diwali, Pakki Wali. Here's hoping our Goa trip plans get finalized. I'll send this to all my like school friends. Okay. Then there's happy Diwali. May people stop reminding you to get married. Happy Diwali 2021. Sending this to you now because it takes you a year to reply. ये 2020 का post है in case you guys are confused. Okay. Happy Diwali. Here's wishing you prosperity so that you can return my money via Paytm, GPay, PhonePe, Bheem, Cash, Net Banking. Okay. May you get less of better luck next time on scratch cards. Happy Diwali. Paytm reference. Okay. Collaboration. Happy Diwali. May you learn to pick up your phone calls so that I don't have to wish you through the cards. Okay. This is also there. Holiday content. Here you have it. Okay. We're understanding how to make like, you know, good posts that will get shared. Hello. Okay. So now I will be taking any questions if you guys have any. Okay. If you guys want to tell me anything, please tell me. If you guys don't want to tell me anything, you guys are free to leave, provided Rutuja has taken attendance. Rutuja, attendance le liya aapne?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Okay. So I hope you guys are understanding कि क्या करना है, कौन से टाइप के पोस्ट बनाने हैं, ब्रांड को कैसे प्रमोट करना है अपने, थोड़ी marketing things also I'm telling you बीच में. So please make a note of these things because it will help you guys. Social media is everything these days. Trust me, if you don't have a presence on social media, you are no one. Okay. So I will see you कल देखूंगी. ठीक है. I'll meet you guys. वैसे कल दशहरा है, तुम लोग आओगे? You guys don't want to see me tomorrow now. Only I want to see you guys every day, but you guys don't want to see me tomorrow. सच बता दो. देखो मैं तो फ्री हूँ, मैं आ जाऊंगी.
शाम को पूजा होती है घर पे.
Anushka is saying no ma'am, let's have a holiday. बताओ ना.
मैम just enjoy.
मैम छुट्टी
शाम को पूजा होती है घर पे.
कुछ भी पूजा होती है.
हाँ मिस हम लोग के घर पे होती है.
I know you guys are right. I'm just like messing with you. But यार please guys, please आ जाओ यार कल. अच्छा, we can change the timing. I'm very flexible about tomorrow. वैसे भी like you know सारी like छुट्टियां हैं हर जगह. I know कि तुम्हारी भी छुट्टी है कल.
मैम कल प्रोजेक्ट का लॉन्चिंग है, कल मत लीजिए.
दशहरा पे? दशहरा पे प्रोजेक्ट लॉन्च कर रहे हो?
हाँ, शुभ मुहूर्त होता है ना.
Guys, I really don't want to give you guys a holiday. मतलब मैं वैसे दे देती, but क्योंकि तुम लोग इतना मांग रहे हो तो मेरा बिल्कुल मन नहीं कर रहा देने का.
कैसा मन है मिस आप?
Guys, please, I need to like. Okay, I'll tell you.
बिजी रहते हो ना पूरा दिन. आप बिजी रहते हो ना, आपको छुट्टी लेना चाहिए.
अब मैं बताती हूँ.
Recording stopped.
जिसको like जाना है तुम लोग जा सकते हो, जिसको सुनना है सुन लो. ठीक है. So the point is जैसे like you know I think ध्रुव ने बोला ना. हाँ I think ध्रुव ने ही बोला सो ना मेरे पास बहुत बहुत ज्यादा हद से ज्यादा काम है और मैं ना छुट्टी नहीं ले सकती ठीक है यार मैं बात कर रही हूँ पार्थ तुमने ऐसे फोन लगा लिया ठीक है moving on the point is that if I give you guys a holiday ठीक है I have like 2 more batches that I have to take the second batch of content and I have to take I have to start the other batch of the English proficiency course which only I have to take ठीक है अब the point is कि जितना जल्दी मैं तुम लोगों की क्लास finish करूंगी I'll be able to take that and that's not the only thing I have a lot of other things piled up and like I can't even breathe for a second like I can't I'm on like very strict deadlines not even for this like for other things like I have to do my IELTS tomorrow my IELTS test so my point being कि जितना जल्दी like I'm able to like do everything उतना better है so I'll do whatever you guys say to be honest if you guys are not free if you guys like have pujas and all then like definitely go for that if you guys want to change the time and like do it any other time of the day tomorrow I'm good with that as well completely up to you like if you guys want like a holiday in general like that's also cool with me jo bhi chalega ma'am I'm free bus 9 am को lecture है MBA करना का सोचा है मैम आज दे रहे हो yes Chris you're right that's why the thing is, my IELTS might end by 12:30. Because the thing is, okay, now that Chris has already said it, I have to prepare for like the GRE as well. So my point is, I'm like on a very strict deadline, and मेरी maths तुम लोग सुनोगे तुम रोने लग जाओगे if you guys get to know मेरी maths कैसी है. So the point is, I can't take rest. So it's literally up to you guys.
हाँ मैम वो इंटीग्रेशन ट्रिग्नोमेट्री वो सब बहुत टफ होता है
भाई बहुत टफ में और मैंने ना 10th ग्रेड से मैथ्स नहीं की है 10th ग्रेड से नहीं करी है तो इमेजिन करो भाई मैं तो 5+5 करने के लिए कैलकुलेटर निकालती हूँ सो मूविंग ऑन आई एम जस्ट सेइंग चलो यार अप टू यू गाइस चलो दी मैंने तुम लोगों को ये 4 बजे रख ली
मैम कल मैथ्स सीख लो
4 बजे नहीं
वैसे कल रखते हैं
हाँ 3 to 4 चलेगा
3 to 4 रख लूं या मैं
चलेगा 3 to 4 चलेगा
मैं क्या 3 to 4
8 to 4
क्या चलेगा
किसी को
4 to 5
प्रॉब्लम है
नो
Anushika is saying we have classes at 3. But you know तुम्हारे कॉलेज वाले बहुत बकवास लोग हैं
नहीं मेरा है लेक्चर है कल
तुम लोग सच में चलो ले लो
4 to 5 रख लेना
हाँ छुट्टी दे
4 to 5 रखते हैं ना
मैं रेस्ट नहीं
4 to
करूंगी
5
मैथ्स
रखते हैं ना
करूंगी
मैम मैथ्स करेगी मैं को मैथ्स
हाँ मैं मैथ्स करूंगी ब्रो मैं बहुत ज्यादा मैं मैथ्स करूंगी गाइस
नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में मैम का मैथ्स लेंगे हम लोग
ओ मैथ
टेस्ट
integration. Okay, Anisha is asking, anger management is compulsory. Okay, so the thing is, the anger management session is not compulsory to attend. But the thing is that it's like, you know, it's like you're part of the organization, kind of. You're like doing a course from here. So, जो भी हमारे extra perks होते हैं, which are like, you know, events, sessions, and this and that. So, there's a session happening on like, you know, anger management, जिसमें like there are going to be kids, not kids, students, okay, from like all over the world, okay, literally all over. Okay, I lied, not all over the world, हम इतने भी international नहीं हैं, but you know, all over India for sure, ठीक है, all over India के बच्चे आएंगे, and so you guys will, you know, if you guys want to come for like 15-20 minutes, just see it, it's up to you, जो जिसकी जैसी मर्जी है, ठीक है, but the link is there, it's on your groups, तो देख लेना if you guys want to attend it, okay, cool, I'll see you guys on Saturday. अपना वो चेक करो ठाकुर कॉलेज वाला ग्रुप रुको मैं दिखाती हूँ ये वाला
एंग्री वाला.
हाँ, anger management वाला. So you guys will meet the CEO of the company there, Arpit Lochan. He is taking the session.
मैम,
हाँ जी.
आप जो वीडियो दिखाए हो कपड़ों का, उसमें लड़कों का कपड़ा क्यों नहीं दिखाते हो?
था
हमको
उसमें.
लड़कियों का कपड़ा नहीं समझता है.
अरे था उसमें एक
एक
दो
ही तो था. एक ही था.
अरे बट उसका मतलब क्या है? गर्ल्स नेक्स्ट डोर है ना, मतलब इट्स फॉर गर्ल्स ओनली. अब मतलब तुम विक्टोरिया सीक्रेट में जाके थोड़ी ना बोलते हो कि बॉयज के लिए क्यों नहीं बना रहे तुम. मतलब समझ रहे हो? So I'm just saying. Now I will see you on Saturday, guys. Please आ जाना. ठीक है?
यस मैम. ओके
Saturday आ जाना.
मैम, कभी टाइम क्या रहेगा?
हाँ, 7 to 8.
ओके ओके.
ठीक है गाइस, मैं तुम्हें लाइक लिटरली छुट्टी दे रही हूँ कल. तुम मेरी तरफ से भी बहुत मस्ती कर लेना, ठीक है?
यस.
Thank you.
मैक्स पढ़ने.
I would rather see you guys than do math. Trust me. Okay, cool. See you.
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye bye.
Bye.